Hi everyone, my name is Amisha Thakur, Femina Miss India Himachal Pradesh 2022. So today I received a surprise hamper from Sephora and I'm really excited to open it. So I thought, let me just share this moment with all of you. I'm certain that Sephora has curated all this for my skin needs especially. I have a feeling that I'm about to receive every Sephora product that is there on my wish list. So come, let's open it. So finally I have my wish list fulfilled now. The big by definition mascara, the eyeshadow palette, they were all on my wish list and I have them now. Also the quartz roller and the cute eye mask, I just cannot wait to use them. Thank you Sephora for this wonderfully curated hamper.